Hello students, this video will see installation of Apache Spark and simple Scala program using Apache Spark. So there is one assignment in group B where we need to write simple Scala program using Apache Spark framework. So first of all, we need to install this Apache Spark framework and then we can write the Scala program. So very first step is go to the terminal and check whether Java is available onto your machine or not. So before installing Apache Spark, Java should be installed onto your system. So you can check it by command java -- version. So you can see OpenJDK with the version is already been installed onto your system. So next step is to download the Apache Spark framework. So you can either download from the mentioned link or just simply go to the Google and simply type Apache Spark download. So you'll get first link, go to that link, and from this web page, you can download the Spark 3.2.1 -bin/hadoop 3.2.tgz file. So if you click on this, so one more page gets open. So from this page, just click on this link. If you click on this link, your download will start. So I already downloaded the Spark framework onto my system. So we'll go to the next step. So first of all, we need to create the folder Spark in our home directory. So go to the terminal. Just check out whether Spark folder is available. It's not there. So go to the home directory. Home directory and right click and create a folder Spark. And you should copy the downloaded tdz file of Spark to this folder. So from downloads, you can see this file Spark 3.2.1 -bin-hadoop 3.2. Okay. So this file or this file, there are two downloads available. So anyone I can select, copy, and in home directory, I have created a folder Spark. So in that Spark folder, I need to paste this installer. Then what is next step? So this step I already done it. I downloaded the Spark. So step number 2 is we are done with. So step number 1 says creating a folder in your home directory and go to that path. Go to terminal, type cd sp Spark. So I am in now Spark directory. So in that directory, this installer we have copied. Now just go to step number 3 and run this command. It will extract and install. It will simply extract your tgz file. So step number 3 we are done with. Now we need to set up the Spark environment. So for that we need to run this command. We need to open this bash rc file and we need to set the environment path. So go to the terminal and type this command or copy this command. This will open a bash rc file. So go to the end of the file, hit enter, and copy these two lines. It was not copied. So this export should be at the next line. And just read out the document shared with you. We need to change the username to our own username. So if you look at the bash rc file, here path is /home/username. So you need to replace this username by your username. So how to check your system username? You can type the command who am I. You can see the PCCOI. So PCCOI is your username. So I should replace this username in bash rc file by the username of your machine, and make sure whatever installer you are downloaded, the same installer should be here, should be present here. Okay. After this, what is the next step? Just save this file. Click on save and just close it. And onto the terminal, execute this command. So after successful execution, it will not show any errors. Now we need to verify whether the Spark is installed successfully or not. So copy this command and paste it onto the terminal. So after successful installation of the Spark, you can see this window, Spark version 3.2.1. If something wrong, if you do this window, you cannot see. So now you can see the interpreter. So by default, Scala is the default language available with the Spark. You can use other languages like Python or Java or R, but Scala is the default language available with the Spark. So this is a Python-like interpreter where you can execute the commands. Like you can see 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Also, one more point to note here is you can see the URL here, http://10.12.0.173:4040. So on this portal, the GUI of this Spark is available. So just copy this and paste it into your browser. So this will open the Spark environment. So this is the GUI. It's a Hadoop kind of GUI available with the Spark. So Spark is the next version of Hadoop, you can say. The job which you can execute on Hadoop, 100 times faster, you can execute the same job onto the Spark. So here different tabs are available, like job, whatever you submit, the storage available. Then executors, as you can see here, there is only one active node currently available. This is single node installation of Spark, that is master and slave. Both are available on the same machine. So storage is not visible here. So under executor, you can see the storage allocated for completion of your Spark job. Now in the installation guide shared with you, so instructions or guidelines are given how to execute the simple program. Suppose I want to declare one string. So var is the way you can declare your variable. Var1 is the name of variable, colon, its data type is string, is equal to Aniket. Now if I type var1, I should get the output as Aniket. There is one more way to execute the Scala program. Like if I say write simple Scala program to find whether number is positive or negative. So you can create a simple file in gedit or any text editor and save that file with file name dot scala. So it is like a Python file we save with .py extension. The Scala file we should save with first.scala. So you can save this file in home Spark folder. So here itself you can save your file .scala file. So this is way you can write your program. This is a simple program to test whether number is positive or negative. This is a simple program written using if-else conditions. So object ex and then variable number is equal to -100. So if number is equal to 0, then print number is 0. Is greater than 0, then it's positive, else it is negative. After that, you can go to the terminal and compile your program by typing command scala first.scala, and you can run the same program using scala ex. Ex is the object name, whatever you are given here.